Hi guys, so on this video, DJ Zinhle is responding to Usima. If you are new to this story, so what happened was Musa Khawula came out accusing Metabongs of cheating on DJ Zinhle with some UKZN student. So Usima, on Spreading Humors, they were having a chat about this and she called Metabongs Ingenja. So now DJ Zinhle is responding on this video. I'm so sorry guys, I'll have to cut it somewhere somehow because of the music in the background. And then we're gonna go through some comments.
Yes, nothing existed, trying to ignore all the stuff that's been happening on social media, the disrespect that comes with it. But let me tell you, nothing hit me harder than someone calling my husband Inja. That one, I don't know if I'm going to recover from that one. And then to justify what they said, they then said I said I was hurt, or I didn't deny the allegations, and I said I was hurt and letting go. What? I think the thing that punished me the most about statement was because I know the lady. I talk to her quite often on DM sometimes. I was bought from her business. So she could have reached out to me if she was concerned. But she went straight to TikTok to call my husband Inja. Hi guys, you guys are doing a lot, let me tell you. You guys are brave.
Yeah guys, so people were coming for Usima under the comments. Some were defending her, some were just against her. Utilona uyadelela Usima, serious. Sima yo abantu nje bathukile le ndaba yaSima ukuthi abize undoda umuntu ngenja. Sima doesn't have respect for her idols. She has crossed the line. Yo. The way you and Grace don't bother anyone, I just don't understand some people say. So this person is talking about DJ Zinhle and Grace. Mother must keep in mind that Isparse country, people love you Zinhle and they will fight him for you. Remember guys, I did tell you that some people were on Sima's side. Yeah. Lapho mother is way older than her for her to refer to him as Inja. Yani. Uthi luka kumnandi ngo-2008 sonke siphatha ama-3310. Hayi bandla. Bestie my heart. Waphendula uDJ Zinhle ngama Heartbroken Hearts. Imhethe ngempela uDJ Zinhle le ndaba yokuthi uSima abize sengithi umyeni wakhe abize uhusband wakhe. Umyeni yakhe abize umyeni wakhe ngenja imphathe nje kabuhlungu kakhulu. And she's gonna apologize and call it a day. Vele phela uzoxolisa nkosami yini enye azoyenza because most people bathi ubekhulunyiswa ukuthi she was angry on behalf of DJ Zinhle. Akukho futhi okunye azokwenza ngaphandle ukuthi axolise. Uthi I think Sima was angry on your behalf just like all of us, but I fully agree with the fact that she took it too far when she called him Inja. That was really too much. Yeah, I agree. Hey bo, uthi lona, are you defending your cheating husband liwena Zinhle? Hey, hayi ke sana abantu bazongimangaza. Waphendula lo wathi bathong mara liratata batsabatho shame jealous down. Do you have proof of what you're saying? I wasn't expecting this comment guys. Hayi bandla. I don't think it came from a bad place or disrespectful towards you. She was just hurt for you and that was her fighting for you. Please forgive her, she's still young. Usima naye ulelwa njalo, ukhuzwa njalo, kumele axolise njalo. Awa guys, kuze kube yinini. Hey, Nkosi yami. Godhlubi made her fool several times. Wahluleka ukubona inja lapho. Le ntombazane iyadelela nje qha. The guy weSthembu yena uyinike. Uyadelela uSima nobuso ngathi iChina. She was referring to this video not knowing it's old. Waphendula uZindlela phayana wathi, but to call my hubby inja was too far. Let's see, Lona, she was angry like the rest of us, thinking you got cheated on. Because there was a video circulating that your man cheated. Ungamkwateli bestie. Kushelele ulimu. Lushelelile. Hi, okay, guys. That's it from me, Okwamanje, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.